Hello everyone, welcome to the APKPure channel. The wildly popular Skibidi Toilet game has finally been released, and I tried playing it online. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely terrifying yet irresistible to watch. So let me explain to you what Skibidi Toilet is and how to download and install it. Skibidi Toilet tells the story of the war between a toilet with a human head and humanoid characters with electronic devices. As of October 2023, it has over 32.5 million subscribers and 12 billion views. So are you intrigued? If you don't know how to download Skibidi Toilet yet, I'll teach you step by step. Step 1. Open the APKPure website. Firstly, open Google Chrome, go to the search tab, then tap the search bar and type in APKPure to enter APKPure's official website. Step 2. Search for Skibidi Toilet. Next, tap on the search bar and type in Skibidi Toilet. As you start typing, you'll see a list of suggested apps. Step 3. Download Skibidi Toilet. On the download page, you will see a green Download APK button. Click on it to start the download process. The app will now start downloading and installing on your device, which may take a few moments. Step 4. Install Skibidi Toilet. Once the APK file is downloaded, tap Install, then tap on the Open button to start playing Skibidi Toilet. Leave a comment below if you want more updates about Skibidi Toilet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging updates. Happy browsing!